What if I told you that you could transform your body, build insane muscle mass, and get ripped in record time, without spending hours in the gym every day? No magic pills, no overpriced supplements, just 3 simple exercises that have been proven to pack on muscle faster than most full-blown workout programs. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover exactly what they are, why they work, and how you can start today. Welcome back to Fitness Tips, the channel where we cut through the noise and give you simple, science-backed advice to help you achieve the physique you've always wanted. Today's video is special because we're not going to waste your time with a list of 15 exercises you'll never remember. Instead, I'm going to reveal the only 3 exercises you truly need if your goal is to build muscle fast, look shredded, and feel stronger than ever before. And here's the best part. You can do them even if you don't have a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment. These are foundational, timeless movements that professional athletes, bodybuilders, and military special forces swear by. Think about it. Every truly muscular, ripped physique you've ever admired, whether it's a Hollywood action star, an MMA fighter, or a professional bodybuilder, has been built on these exact same movements. If you stay with me until the end, I'll also share a secret intensity trick that can double your muscle growth in half the time. Exercise number 1, the king of all lifts. The barbell squat. If you've been skipping squats, you've been skipping muscle growth. Period. The barbell squat is the single most powerful exercise you can do for overall size and strength. Why? Because it's not just a leg exercise, it's a full body powerhouse. When you squat heavy, your body releases a flood of anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. These hormones don't just make your legs bigger, they accelerate muscle growth in your chest, back, arms, and shoulders too. That's why elite lifters call squats a mass builder, rather than just a leg movement. When you squat correctly, you're engaging your quads, hamstrings, glutes, lower back, core, and even your upper body to stabilize the bar. That's why it burns so much, but that burn is exactly what's telling your body to adapt and grow stronger. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but squats are hard, and I've heard they can hurt your knees or back. The truth is, bad squats hurt you, good squats build you. If you focus on proper form, keeping your chest up, knees tracking over your toes, and lowering until your thighs are parallel or slightly below, you'll not only avoid injury, you'll bulletproof your joints over time. If you don't have access to a barbell, you can use dumbbells, resistance bands, or even just your body weight at first. The key is progressive overload, adding more weight or reps over time so your muscles never stop growing. Exercise number 2, the upper body mass machine. The bench press. There's a reason almost every guy who walks into a gym asks, "How much do you bench?" The bench press is one of the most effective compound lifts for building a massive chest, thick shoulders, and powerful triceps. When done right, the bench press recruits multiple muscle groups at once: pecs, delts, triceps, and even your lats to stabilize the weight. This means you're not just building muscle, you're building raw pushing power that carries over to real life. The secret to explosive bench press growth isn't just pushing the bar, it's controlling it. Lower the bar slowly to your chest, pause briefly to eliminate momentum, then drive it back up with everything you've got. That pause forces your muscles to work harder, stimulating more growth. Imagine this. After a few months of consistent training, you're putting up plates on each side of the bar with ease, your shirt fits tighter across the chest and shoulders, and your friends can't stop asking what you've been doing. That's the bench press effect. If you don't have a bench, you can still build an impressive chest with push-ups, weighted push-ups, or dips between 2 chairs. The principle stays the same: push heavy, push often, and get stronger every week. Exercise number 3, the total upper body builder. The pull-up. If you want that V-shaped back, wide shoulders, and thick biceps, the pull-up is non-negotiable. In fact, if I could only choose one upper body exercise for the rest of my life, it would be this one. Pull-ups work your lats, traps, rear delts, rhomboids, biceps, forearms, and even your core. They're a pure test of relative strength, how strong you are compared to your body weight. And unlike machine exercises, pull-ups force you to stabilize and control your entire body through space, which recruits more muscle fibers and accelerates growth. Here's the thing. Most beginners can't even do one pull-up. And that's okay. Start with assisted pull-ups, negative pull-ups, or banded pull-ups until you can crank out your first real representative from there. Aim to add one representative every week. Before you know it, you'll be knocking out sets of 10, 15, or even 20. And when that happens, your upper body will look like it was carved out of stone. The beauty of pull-ups is that you can do them almost anywhere: a park, a doorway pull-up bar, or even a sturdy tree branch. No excuses. Now here's the part most people get wrong. They think they need dozens of exercises and marathon gym sessions to build muscle. The truth? If you go all in on these three movements, squats, bench press, and pull-ups, you're hitting every major muscle group in your body, stimulating maximum growth, and saving yourself hours of wasted time. When you focus on fewer exercises and push them to the limit, you give your body a clear signal: get stronger, get bigger, and that's exactly what it does. How to put it all together for maximum growth? Here's a simple way to structure your week. Day 1. Squats, bench press, pull-ups. Day 2. Rest or light cardio. Day 3. Squats, bench press, pull-ups. Day 4. Rest or core work. Day 5. Squats, bench press, pull-ups. Day 6 and 7. Rest and recover. You don't need complicated split routines. Just show up, lift heavy, rest well, and eat enough protein to fuel recovery. As promised, here's the secret intensity trick: progressive overload with time under tension. This means you don't just add more weight over time, you also slow down your reps to make your muscles work harder. For example, take 4 seconds to lower into a squat, pause for 1 second at the bottom, then explode up. Your muscles will be begging for mercy, and that's exactly when they start growing. So there you have it, 3 exercises, countless muscles worked, and a surefire way to build size, strength, and definition faster than you thought possible. The only thing standing between you and your dream physique is taking action. Remember, the guys and girls you admired didn't get there overnight. They showed up, they lifted heavy, they pushed through the burn, and they kept going even when it was hard. Now it's your turn. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Fitness Tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to take your training to the next level. Your strongest self is waiting. Start today.